Hello guys, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. Today I'll show you how to craft a scary melody for a mystical dark fantasy. The key signature is G minor and the time signature is 3/4 time. The tempo is 125 BPM. Let's listen to the melody. The scale is almost Phrygian, but I used notes from outside the scale. The Phrygian mode includes the following diatonic triads on its degrees. At the end of the piece I used the double harmonic minor scale, also known as the Hungarian minor scale. The Phrygian mode has a dark mood because there is a half step next to the tonic, and the triad built on the 7th degree is minor. When I harmonize this melody, I use triads outside the diatonic triads. It's a very effective technique to craft more interesting and engaging chord progressions. If you are not familiar with diatonic triads, take a look at my video lesson about it. The chords are the following. The melody is in G minor key, so the exact diatonic triads in this case are the following. Some chords I used are not among the diatonic chords. A diminished is from the parallel minor, G minor, because the chord of the 2nd degree in the G minor scale is an A diminished. D major is from the parallel harmonic minor or the parallel major. D major is the 5th degree of these parallel scales. Parallel means another scale or key starting on the same note. For example, F major and F minor are parallel keys. When you borrow a chord from a parallel key, it is called modal interchange. I couldn't find a source explaining how the G diminished chord fits into the G Phrygian scale, but I like it, so I left it in. If you know, please write it in the comments. In the case of scary melodies, you may consider involving chromatic tones in the melody because they create tension and make the melody more colorful and effective. As you hear, I use tremolo for the strings. It contributes to creating an unsettling and suspenseful atmosphere. The melody is played by two different types of orchestral doublings, bassoon plus viola and clarinet plus viola. This is necessary because the bassoon's volume alone is hardly enough to compete with the whole orchestra, and the combination sounds awesome. The bassoon and the viola together convey a dark and rich timbre, creating a profound and somber atmosphere in the music. I avoided applying intervals smaller than fourths in the low registers to prevent the sound from becoming muddy and unclear. The brass instruments in the low registers and the low strings contribute to the dark and scary mood. I used tubular bells at the beginning and the end of the piece. I also incorporated other percussion instruments, specifically bass drum, timpani and wind gong at the two climactic points and suspended cymbals for the ending transition. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.